What is up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. If this is your very first time joining me, my name is Jessica. I'm a mother as well as a makeup lover, of course. I do apologize for my current appearance. As you can see by the title, we're going to be playing around with Nimya by Nikkie tutorials, which is actually like makeup prep. So I thought that I would give you guys my kind of first impressions on everything, and basically just, I mean, as far as like skincare goes, you know, you need to use stuff for at least a couple of weeks in order to see like how it's going to do for your skin, if it's going to break you out, if it's going to make you dry, whatever the case may be. So this is going to be a first impression, and also I really want to see how my favorite like makeup products sit on top of this like skin prep. So I want to see how all of my makeup will sit on top and last throughout the day. I am going to be wearing this makeup for the whole day to do a wear test as far as like my base makeup goes. So if you are curious to see all about Nimya by Nikkie tutorials, then you already know what to do. Please keep on watching. I personally bought the full collection. So what the full collection has is the set it and forget it setting spray. So this is like you could use it before, throughout each step of your like base makeup, and then after as a setting spray. So we'll be doing that. We also have the Nimya cooling stick. I can't do it as cooling stick. This is an instant depuffing cooling stick that nurtures and hydrates stressed eyes. So we'll also be applying this little buddy, which, oh, it's upside down. Boop. I already pulled the top off of it though, like all the prep, I took it all off. So yeah, so it comes with the setting spray, the under eye cooling stick. It also comes with the License to Glow serum. So this could be used as a primer or like a, what's it say? So this glow packed serum is all you need when you want a fresh, radiant, and lit from within complexion. We all know I am all about lit from within. So basically you just apply this before your moisturizer. It could also be used as a glowy primer before your makeup application. We're gonna ignore my kiddos in the background. And we also have the Where It All Starts cream, which is a moisturizer, but also could be used as a primer under your makeup as well. And then so when you buy, ooh, butterfingers. Okay, so when you buy the full collection, it actually comes free with the little Nimya fan and the little stand. So I'm gonna keep my stand on it because my kids will lose it. My kids will lose that shit. So damn, okay, this fan kicks. Wow. Okay, oof, made my eyes watery. That thing blows. Okay, so first things first, so I am gonna do my face makeup with you guys today. I figured we could just do like a little current fave base makeup on top of all the Nimya products. So usually what I do is actually I'm gonna go ahead and soap down my brows. I always like to do that because I want to I clean it up with a baby wipe like around all the outer corners, so that way my product will actually stick. So that's always the first of my step, is to prep and prime my skin and lay down my eyebrows. Okay, so my brows are nice and glued down. Okay, so it says to shake it up really good. So we're gonna start with the setting spray, because what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray my face, then I'm gonna moisturize. We're gonna give it a couple of test sprays. Okay, here we go. Whoa, that mister is nice. And that smell, what is that? It smells like there's definitely like a scent to it, but it's not like harsh or heavy or anything like that. Wow. Hit me in the face. It smells delicious. Next, I'm gonna go in with the License to Glow serum. You can't really see it too well. Go right in with a good amount, I guess. I don't know how much I'm supposed to use of this.
Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa.
Smells kind of like a crayon. Like the setting spray smells good, but this serum, I don't think it's supposed to have a scent in it, and it just kind of smells like a crayon. Not bad. I mean, definitely gave me that glow. Like you can even see my freaking ring light and my like all my high points. Okay, like that. Okay, so we have that serum, and then on my hands it feels really smooth. Like in my hands, you know, like they feel smooth. So after the serum, then you go in with the moisturizer. So this, Where It All Starts cream creates a perfect canvas for luminous skin, but also helps you to prime the face for those iconic makeup days. We're gonna go ahead and just take some of this. So I always, on all my moisturizers, I like to keep the top on it, so that way if it like sits upside down, it doesn't get the little dirty. It's like a personal preference. So I'm just gonna lift this up. There's like a light scent, but nothing like overly dramatic. Just gonna take about this much. I don't know if this is too much, too little, but we're about to find out. Ooh. Okay. Not really much of a scent on the skin. Like I feel like there's a small like hint of a scent in the like jar, but actually on the skin, I'm not smelling anything too crazy. And then last we have the Instant Cooling Eye Stick. Sorry, ignore my son back there with his book. And then so I watched Nikkie's video. She said to roll it backwards. Ooh, this is kind of a tugging. I'm gonna have to go like this. I don't want it to like tug on my eye. And I'm just gonna. Feels very smooth. My only complaint, I guess, is that it kind of tugged a little bit, which I don't like around my eyes, because like obviously your eyes are very sensitive, and obviously I'm trying to prevent wrinkles. So, but I mean, yeah, it feels good. It feels kind of tacky, which I think will be great for helping makeup stick.
Hey, wow.
I'm gonna go ahead and just do up my eyes because I always do my eyes first, and I'm gonna be just doing some graphic liner. So if you guys want to see this tutorial for my eyes, you're gonna have to head over to my TikTok, but I will have a video on my graphic liner that I'm gonna be doing today. So if you want to see that, definitely head over to my TikTok, which is the same as all of my social medias, 381 Makeup, if you want to see the eye tutorial. But we're gonna jump past that straight into makeup application, face makeup application. Come on, girl, get it together. Okay, so I didn't have to like wipe off under my eyes or anything like that, so everything should still be nice and prepped and primed. Okay, so I have to say, as far as foundation goes, my top picks for foundation has to be the ABH, the Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation, the Luminous foundation. This stuff is so good, top tier, totally worth the price point. I also really like the Revolution Conceal and Define foundation. I don't know, I just find that this one's luminous obviously, and this one's just, I don't know, just really nice foundation. So today I think I'm gonna take my ABH foundation. I mean, we're already luminous. Maybe I'll take, yeah, okay, I'm gonna take my ABH foundation because I know how this one works. I know that it works really good. So I'm gonna start by cream contouring. Wet n Wild contour stick. Let's take some of this ABH foundation, and we'll take a little bit of the Nimya setting spray. And we'll mix that up. So I'm gonna take my Jaclyn Cosmetics blush stick, and this one is in Royal Flush. So this is like the red. And before I do concealer, I'm gonna put some of this here like this. And then I'm also gonna take the shade Swoon, like that. I'm just gonna buff this out. Now concealer. Okay, so now I'm gonna take my ABH setting powder on my damp sponge, and I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna set my face anywhere I put concealer. Okay, so now to contour my nose and bronze up my forehead, I'm gonna take my iconic London, this is the ultimate bronzing powder. So I'll take some here and down my nose. Now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take my Jaclyn Cosmetics Rouge Romance blush palette. My son got into it, I'm so sad. And I'm gonna take this shade, Ever After and Fancy Pants. Looking really cute. So I mean, that's really just about it as far as the base makeup goes. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna set my face with the Nimya setting spray once more, and then I'm gonna finish everything up, and then we can come back and I'll give you guys my final thoughts and opinions on all the products, if I think they're worth it and all that good stuff. So let's do this real quick. Okay, so here is the completed look. I don't know what happened in my eye. I don't think it really likes this. So in my inner waterline, I went in with this Dose of Color liner in Cloud Wine, and just like my whole under eye turned bright red. So I don't know about that, but other than that, I think everything looks real cute. Besides this eye looks kind of funky to me. But now for my thoughts and opinions on everything Nimya. So first things first, let me get really up close. So I want to show you guys my skin really up close. So I don't ever like edit my skin, like what is it, skin tune, Facetune. I don't Facetune. I don't do anything. The most editing that I do, as far as like especially my videos go, is maybe like I'll adjust the lighting a little, but I never ever put any filters over my skin. So everything that you guys are seeing, this is how it looks in person, as best as my camera can pick it up, and I have a pretty damn good camera. So yeah, so this is how everything looks. I feel like, so like you could see like some of my texture right here, I always have that. So in comparison to that, take a look at how smooth the rest of my face looks. My skin looks good. All of my makeup is sitting so beautifully on top of my skin. There's no patchiness. I mean, my skin looks smooth. I have a lot of texture and my skin looks smooth. It looks, oh. Let me break it down for you guys. So as far as application goes, my application is flawless. It is smooth, silky, buttery. I guess we'll start with like the least makeup product. This fan is goddamn amazing. It's powerful. I really like the fan. I have bought like fans before off of Amazon, real cheap, and they were just that, they were cheap. So we'll see how this one holds up. Let's see if my kids don't break it, and let's see how sturdy this bad boy is. But the settings are freaking bomb. I think the main thing that I was really interested in was obviously like setting sprays. I'm kind of getting into like a whole setting spray thing. I'm trying to find like the best setting sprays. There are no words for how goddamn good this smells. This smells like okay, so it smells like perfume, but not like in a way where you're spraying it and you're like, holy shit, like I just sprayed perfume in my face. It just has like such a light, like just a delicious fragrance. Like I feel like my husband would come home and give me a kiss on my cheek. He'd be like, damn bitch, you smell good. This setting spray I will 1000% be repurchasing once I finish it. This just smells too good. I mean, it looks damn good. Like anything a setting spray can do. Next up, that I was really intrigued in, like, before I bought this was the Berber eye stick. Cooling eye stick. So I did apply this under my eyes as well as over my eyes, and I will say, as of right now, I have very, very minimal creasing. I am not noticing a lot of texture, which I do tend to get, like, kind of scaly right here. And my eyeshadow, like my primer, like my eyeshadow primer, I use the P. Louise. It is sitting beautifully, especially on my top eyelid. Like my makeup is sitting so beautifully around and under my eyes. Thinking that this actually really did make the littlest difference, like as far as like my texture goes under my eyes. So if you have that problem, if you have a problem with like your product in and around your eyelids, maybe you should give this a try. As far as my only complaint I would say about this is that it kind of did tug a little bit, but that I didn't really mind, you know, rub my finger on it and like go like that, kind of tapped in a little bit. But other than that, this is really nice. I'm gonna use it a few more times and see if it really did make a difference. As far as like the packaging goes, this is sturdy. This is fucking heavy. I really like how the inside is blue, like her like stuff, but then the outside is yellow. I think that's really cute. I like how it has a little window. You can see how much product you use. There wasn't like a set that like turned me off or anything. This did definitely make me glowy. I seen a couple videos, like tutorial or reviews, that said that it was kind of glittery, but I did not see that. I will have to use this a few more times to see if it really does, you know, see, you gotta use things a few times to really see how they perform, especially like face products. But as far as priming goes, yes bitch, yes. Now for this, the packaging is huge and like clunky, but I'm kind of living for it. Like I really, like, I feel expensive. Like I feel like this is like top quality, high end. As far as like priming goes, it did have a very light, like sweet scent, but when I put it onto my face, I did not notice that scent at all. But it was very pleasing. It wasn't overly scented or anything like that. It was just the lightest hint of like sugary sweet, you know what I mean? It is whipped. But I mean, I had no problems using it. As far as a primer goes, this is a win, you guys. Like as Nimya by Nikkie Tutorials, you guys, yes, it is a yes. It is a yes. I knew it was going to be. If you have skin like mine, textured, normal to dry, I would highly recommend checking this out, and let me know what you guys think. If you did purchase anything from Nimya, let me know what you guys are loving, what you guys prefer, what you don't like about it. Let me know, because I'm gonna need more people's opinions. But as far as my own opinion goes, my makeup is beautiful, flawless. Okay, so it has been a couple of hours. Clearly I had to take my lashes off because they were wonky. One was a little wonky looking, so we're just gonna ignore that. But yeah, so it's been a couple of hours, so I wanted to just kind of see how everything looks. So we're gonna ignore that. I don't know what happened there. But I mean, everything else looks pretty good. My lipstick, I've been like eating and stuff, so it doesn't look great. I didn't touch it up because this is how everything held up, you know what I mean? I think that the lipstick held up pretty good, besides where I keep licking my lips. Everything else looks really good too. I don't notice any like crazy like separation or anything. Usually my under eyes look a little bit worse than this, so I would say that held up pretty well around my eyes. In my eyeshadow, I don't really see no creasing. My forehead looks good, besides I don't know what happened there. Yeah, I think everything looks pretty darn good. So yeah, I'm gonna keep testing. Of course, I'm gonna keep testing these products out, and I will keep you guys updated and let you know what I think, if it breaks me out or anything like that. So that is going to be it for today's video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed. If you did enjoy me and my videos, please don't forget to like and subscribe, of course, and I will see you guys in my next video.